The city of Broken Arrow is terminating its contract with the company building the retaining wall at Tiger Hill. That's right across the street from Chick-fil-A at 71st and Lynn Lane. Construction on that second wall to reinforce the original one started at the beginning of this year. News on 6's Eric Payne is live there with a closer look at all the problems. Eric?
The city says the company building the second wall is behind deadline and it doesn't meet state standards. So the city council told the company this week that they're off the job. The saga involving the retaining wall at Tiger Hill is far from over. The project goes back to 2015, when crews built the first $1 million wall. But when parts of it buckled and collapsed, the city decided to build this second $1.5 million wall. Construction was supposed to end this summer, but the contractor, Stronghand, didn't meet deadline extensions. This fall, a city inspection found more than half of the panels workers installed were not up to state standards. City leaders say potential failure of these connections may create a situation of global consequences to the entire retaining wall system in place and might ultimately pose a public safety hazard. There are gaps in between the steel and concrete, and the anti-graffiti coating on the concrete was wrong. The city says they're also worried about cracks in the soil in between the two walls.
Those cracks give us concern because we think we're getting soil migration down below.
The city asked Stronghand how they plan to fix the problems, but after several letters said they didn't get an adequate solution. The city warned Stronghand in October they were breaching their contract. Then a month later, the city told the company to stop working on the retaining wall. Stronghand tells me they're committed to providing quality work in a timely manner and stand by the work they've done. They say they're working with subcontractors and the city of Broken Arrow to address the deficiencies, saying despite these problems, we're still committed to providing a workable solution. The company still has a few days to respond to the city council's termination. If they don't agree on something, though, in those next few days, the termination will be final. Live in Broken Arrow, Eric Payne, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.